Roger, but keep it down to the yellow dot.
White twin velocity, flight 2 over Warbird.
Tail dragger at the highway, start your descent on the left base. Flight 2 on final York, clear to land 36 right.
Land flight 2.
Tail dragger, I need you off the runway, keep it coming off. Caravan left turn, follow that tail dragger off, please. The guy over the purple dot, keep it up to the air. Yellow dot, please.
Black and white L39, Warbird Island in front of the formation.
Don't stop after that. Get off on a hard surface as soon as you can after. Broken 4-1, what do you want to do? 2 mile follow, you full stopping or are you doing the overhead?
Sorry, request the overhead, black and white L39.
L39, Roger, brake right, you're single.
We're single, brake right.
Copy, brake right. Everybody on 36 right, you're rolling off the end. Don't stop on the runway, don't turn off the runway. Everybody on 36 right, roll to the end.
Hopper Creek, 30, L39, flight.
Hopper, Roger, it's 3, I believe. You're at Fond du Lac, Roger, and report Warbird.
By myself, on the way to Warbird.
Okay, 1 L39, thank you.
This is Fond du Lac.
Fond du Lac, Roger, report the island. Tail dragger just passed the yellow dot, no to lay off the runway as soon as you can, hard service. You need to pass that one, you gotta come back to it. Report the island. Everybody over.
6 right, we're 5 to the golf follow.
Flight 2, or just flight 2. I'm sorry, this gear. Are you a flight 2?
1 L39.
On the base, are you a flight 2?
Affirmative. Velocity?
Again, climb back up, please. That train's right in front of you. T-38 back up unless you see him.
L39, Warbird Island.
Okay, there's 2 guys on short funnel to the right side. That's fine. Clear to land, roll to the end. Guy on short funnel on 36 left. Keep it in the air. You're going down to the yellow dot. Yellow dot 36 left. Single guy over the numbers now. The 2 on the right side. Keep it in the air. Red square. You're not going to stop. You're going to the end. Warbird, Roger. Canard set up to the right side. Canard set up to the right side. Put it down right there, please. Just don't stop all moving. That traffic's going to shut down in front of you.
What is demo, right base?
There's demo, Roger. Let's go 36 right. Clear to land. And the tail dragger to just touch for anybody in your way. Yeah, that's fine. The guy at the departure end, don't worry about him.
Orbiting Warbird, request overhead. 3L39 on final, this airplane to my right, is he on the little runway?
Yeah, he's on a skinny L39 at that 2 mile final, clear to land 36 left. Low wing on the 2 mile left base that's coming up from 5th. Keep it low and wide. You're going to 30. Extra on the base. Extra on the base. Let's go. Extra on the base. You're going 36 right. Clear land. You're going to roll long.
Okay, MX to 36 right. Roll long.
Thank you. Cherokee short final, 36 right, you're doing great, but just don't touch it down. You're going all the way down to the red square. The guy who's passing her, okay, you're on the left. That's fine, that's fine. Put it down now. The 36 left guy is laying right now. The yellow dot guy, put it down, please. 36 right, roll out, keep doing it. L39, keep rolling off the end. Great job, thank you. I think somebody might have called from the island inbound. Who did on this?
Straight 8-4, single ship, request overhead.
Get the message, put it down.
at the Corber.
Patrick, Roger, report 2 miles straight in, runway 36 left. There you go, report. Turning in on the water bomb, you can put it down anytime, plan a left turn off on a hard surface. The water bomber, if you can do it, a left at top.
Yellow 26 over Wirebird Island.
Yellow T6, Roger, reported 2 mile final.
Reported 2 mile final.
Thanks again for all the help. 36 right, clear to land, and you can do it at or past the green square. Just keep the speed up going down the runway, and they're gonna pick you up at the end. The yellow T6 inbound from Warbird. Can you accept the right side?
Yeah. Yellow T6.
Yellow T6, right. You're clear to land runway 36 right. There's an Epic in front of you.
Okay, 36 right for the yellow T6.
The dark high wing tail dragger a mile south to the southwest. Proceed directly to the numbers, and you're clear to land on the purple dot. Looks like there's a third high wing 100 tires. Rock your wing. So over Fisk Avenue now on the left base, turn directly towards the runway numbers, and you're clear to land runway 36 left on the yellow dot. If you're coming into 36 left, stay airborne to the yellow dot. We're going to plan a left turn off at the hard surface.
There's number 3 one that's strictly over the interstate. I have reservations in row 90 prepaid spots.
Roger that. Passing the yellow dot, good job. Turn left there at that hard surface. Thank you very much. Excellent job. We had somebody right there behind us. Perfect. Welcome to Oshkosh. Great job, everybody. All right, keep it in the air. Keep it in the air until the yellow dot. The second guy that's over the runway now, you can put it down anytime. The high wing on the base, continue inbound. Plan to land at the purple dot. The high wing on short final now for runway 36 left. You're clear to land at the purple dot.
Almost looks like that cub that's covered.
56, nice job. You continued all the way down the runway, and they'll pick you up there at the end. Thanks a lot.
And for the purple dot, keep it airborne, please. We're going to change that back up over to the yellow dot. Next dot down, and then no lay off the runway after that.
Yep, the high wing that's rolling out right now, I got an aircraft on short final. Turn left at that hard surface, and then the flightman will pick you up from parking. High wing 100 tires, a mile to the southwest. Proceed directly to the number. Purple dot. The guy that's just off center line, just past the yellow dot, and you pick the speed up, turn left at the next hard surface for me. Thank you very much. It was working out great. Thanks, guys. Keep it moving. The guy that just passed the yellow, start that left turn there as soon as you can into the hard surface. High wing that's rolling out on final right now. You're clear to land on the yellow dot, runway 36 left. You're rolling out on runway 36 left right now. Keep your speed up. Keep your speed up and get to the next high speed. To the next hard surface. Excellent. Nice job. Very good job. Welcome to Oshkosh, everybody. This was blast.
Great job.
Thank you. You guys too. This was a lot of fun. I'm glad you guys made it.